Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application, and I would like to show you the way how you can use the break time on Instagram. So the break time features is the feature that you can help you to break or give you an information to get break from using Instagram. So this feature is really helpful for you to manage the time. How to get this feature? Just need to open your profile, and then you just need to go with these three straight lines on the top right corner. Go click settings and privacy, and then take a look on this first box, which is the how you use Instagram, and click time spent. And then there will be like break reminder on the top line here. Just go click it, and then you will have to choose like for every what minutes that you want to get the break reminder. Let's say here you want to get the reminder after every 20 minutes playing the Instagram, and then you just need to go turn on. And whenever you use Instagram for 20 minutes, you will get an information or notification to break from playing with Instagram. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.